picked up another Auto World Super 3. The stock car. This is the Monte Carlo. So I picked that the first one up, the green Dodge. It was the first Super 3 I ever had. I did have a little bit of issue with it, but I got all the kinks worked out. So I wanted to get another Super 3 to have, so they could be ran together if somebody wanted to race them. But anyway, I'll get it out of the package here, and we'll see how it does right out of the package. Alright, this is straight from the package onto the track. Not too bad. I already know what one of the issues is. If you watch my other videos, you know what I'm talking about. You see how it's trying to catch us. So I'll take her off the track, do a couple things, and we'll see how she does then. Alright, before I do the first mod, I'll show you here, if I can get it on camera, what the rubbing issue is. There is, see if I can get it here. There's two little plastic nubs right here, one on each side, that holds that retainer clip. And what happens is they're sticking out so far that the tire actually will go down. I don't know if you can see that or not, but the tire goes down and touches that and rubs it. So that's why you have the car dragging when it goes around turns. So we're going to cut those off and do a little sanding on it, and then we'll put her back on the track. Alright, so I have those nubs cut off. Just remember, when you cut them off, just cut them flush with that retainer clip. Don't go any farther than that. That way it'll still serve its purpose. So here we go. Okay, you can see that there's a lot better. So now I'm going to take her off the track and we'll get her all greased up. Alright, I got her all oiled up and greased up, so we'll take her for a few laps. As you can see here, it runs 100% better. Holds the track nice. There's no hesitation. And no more issue with tire rubbing. So there you have it, another Auto World Super 3, the Monte Carlo edition. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.